Hey yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the World Wide Wonder Web? My name's Pursuit. Welcome to today's episode of Pursuito Happy. Today, I'm gonna blow your fucking mind. So I recently came across a new way to recover all the oil out of your empty cartridge. Here, I got an empty cart. As you can see, fucking nothing. There's a little bit at the bottom. Nothing too crazy, right? You're hitting metal. That's where you're at. Maybe you hit it with a lighter and let it, ooze down, but it's not cutting it. Well, I got a fucking new, irrefutable method for you guys to use to get every last bit of oil out of your cart. I've been very excited to make this video because when I first saw it and tried it, it blew my mind how well it worked. And I knew that you guys would fucking eat this shit right up. Also, I just finished eating lunch. And lunch normally gets me pretty excited.
God damn. This shit.
Anyways, that's enough talking. You guys need to know how to get this last bit of oil out of your cart, because I assume you're jonesing by this point. First off, all you're going to need is a source of heat, whether it be a lighter. Works better with a hair dryer. I just don't have a hair dryer, unfortunately. Your cart and a sock. What you're going to do is the normal method involves putting the cart in the sock and then putting the hair dryer on the sock to heat up the cart. But I don't have a hair dryer, so you can do it as I with a lighter. You're going to apply heat to the whole cart. Make sure you don't breathe on the fucking flame. You want to heat up the whole cart all the way up to the top, all the way down to the bottom. You want to make sure this bitch is toasty, right? And don't worry if oil starts flowing to the wrong spot right now. We'll cross that bridge. Make sure you torch it adequately. It should hurt to touch type shit, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to lower the viscosity of the oil, right? So viscosity is a liquid's resistance to movement. So oil, distillate, naturally has a very high viscosity. It's very slow. That's why, the OGs know the bubble test, right? Back when you're trying to figure out if your shit was vitamin E acetate or whatever, where you turn the cart upside down and see how fast the bubble moved, and that told you, at least surfacely, if it was a fake cart or not. What you're essentially doing by heating it up is lowering the viscosity, which makes it easier to move. This isn't new news, though. We've all probably hit a cart or two with a torch, trying to get that last bit of oil out there. But that's where this new technique comes in. So after you heat it up for a few minutes, get it really, really nice and toasty. You're going to get your sock. You want to move fast so it doesn't cool off. Put the screw-in part, the 510 thread part, down. And then make sure that after you put it in the sock, you feel and make sure that it is the part that's on the bottom. Otherwise, all the oil will go to the wrong part of the cart and it'll just dick you over. You have to redo the process. So the thread's on this part. You take your sock and you fucking Hail Mary it, bud. You spin it over your head. Make sure you don't smack it into a wall or nothing, or else your cart will break. But do this for a few minutes while the cart is still hot. And as it cools down, the centrifugal force from whirling it around your head will pull all the oil to the bottom. And that's why it's important for you to recognize what side of the cart is in the toe of the sock. Otherwise, all the oil will go to the tip, which you can't smoke it. After that was about like a minute, we take our cart out of the sock. If I can fucking get it out of the sock. Look at that. We got all our oil from the walls, all that shit. It accumulated around the coil. Now half of it's empty, but the other half still has oil on it. And there's still oil on the wall, as you can see, so you can fucking hit it again, do the same trick. But that just got you 6 or 8 more fucking blinkers, dude. For free, bruh. And this is why you need to pay attention in your physics class, chemistry class, all that other shit. It may seem useless at the time, but here you are learning about centrifugal force and fucking viscosity from a guy in a fucking Nacho Libre mask, bro. Anyways, I hope this helps all y'all fiending motherfuckers who don't have enough money to buy a new cart yet, but you still got some old ones lying around. Foolproof method. Enjoy, guys. I don't remember if I had an outro.